Hey guys, what's up? In this short and very stupid video, I'm going to talk about the stupidest build I have built to date. It could get dumber from here, because apparently our Razer PC, aka Christmas PC, because the RAM doesn't want to cooperate, is currently downloading Far Cry. Oh man, that could have been bad. We're going to talk about this. Yeah. So, from just looking at it, it looks like a pretty good PC. I'm stepping on things, very expensive things. But it's when we look closer that we can really see just how stupid it is. So, why is this a stupid PC? First of all, this cooler gives a hint. This is a Ryzen 3 2300X. If you've never heard of it, that's because that's Ryzen's unreleased second gen processor that was only able to be bought in pre-built gaming PCs, and I basically had to walk into a guy's house and take it from him. Not, illegally. I had to give him a different CPU to replace his, but because this was not being sold anywhere at the time I got it, it's really stupid. Just the whole thing really dumb. If you want a story on that, maybe I'll put it on the second channel. That's the point. So, what else do we have on this PC? So, we have a Radeon 7, which already, that's stupid enough. 2300X and Radeon 7. I wonder if there's a bottleneck there. By the way, the 2300X is 4 cores and 4 threads, so I don't know. I'm trying to give you like a tour of the office as well. I have a lot of stuff. None of it's like good stuff. I just have a lot of garbage. That's the point. So, that's the giveaway corner. Well, I'll have to do a formal video touring my new office, even though it's the same office, just redone. Whatever, that's the point. So, we've also got one stick of 8 gigs of Trident ZRGB DDR4 3000. That's stupid. Yeah, okay. Okay, so actually, that's the whole stupidity. And of course, we're just using a 750 watt power supply. Can you even see that? Film will take 750 watt. That's been sitting in a different system for, I think, a year now, almost. That's the point. So, this is the dumbest system I built. Oh, I almost forgot the motherboard. Where's the box for that thing? I have no clue where it went. Oh, it's the case. Whatever. It's the, the ROG Crosshair 7 Hero. So, the story behind this PC is that I bought this open box, so it was used and returned, or it's been sitting on the shelves too long at Micro Center, for half price. I bought it for $100. They retail for $200, and I haven't tested it. But you get 15 days to return things to Micro Center. That's it. You get 15 days if it's an open box, 30 days if it's new. But basically, I had to test it within 15 days. I finally checked the receipt and realized the 29th of January. I bought this on the 14th. The 29th is 15 days later. I'm recording this at 3 a.m. on the 29th. So I had to test it by today to make sure I don't have to return it. And I quickly threw together a system with parts that I'm like, maybe the motherboard's bad and it kills everything. Let's put things I can just lose. Now, the Radeon 7 probably wasn't the smartest idea, but it's the only GPU I have on hand that isn't liquid cooled. I've got, and that's like, I've got a 1080 Ti, but I got to do something with that. We have another Radeon 7, Vega 64, 1070, like everything else is liquid cooled, and my Poseidon's in the other build and I'm not about to use it. And 1660 Ti is in my normal build for a video I was hoping to film. Then my mics ran out of batteries and I lost the whole footage. Thanks, lavaliers. That's the point. So I know this was a bad video and it's 3 a.m. Thought I would just get some out kind of more casually, see if this even works. If this style works, dude, I'll do every video like this. It's so easy. But like I said, it's so dumb. It's on the ROG Crosshair 7 Hero. Crosshair 7 Zero, did I say? Hero, which is like an insane... It has an LN2 switch. Let's see if I can get this on camera. This on-off switch is an LN2 switch. It literally... It's for liquid nitrogen. It's for liquid nitrogen cooling. If you're doing liquid nitrogen, you can change it. Obviously, it doesn't, do liquid nitrogen. It's if you're doing liquid nitrogen. I don't know what it does. I'm not going to test it because I don't plan on doing that anytime soon. That's the point. This system is absolutely stupid. $200 motherboard, $700 graphics card, $60 processor. I know, $60 roughly speaking if you were to price it out. $50 RAM because it's half a kit. They don't even come in 8 gigs. Like, you can't get a kit of just 8 gigs of Trident Z RGB. I don't know where the other stick went, man. 750 watt power supply is fine, and just this motherboard's insane. So I'm guessing, I don't know what the previous owner did, because it didn't work right away, and I was kind of scared. Then I just pressed clear CMOS, and it was like, well, I'm working now. So that's the PC. And of course, we have it connected to a 180 hertz monitor, which you can barely see. I just ended up pointing that myself on my t-shirt. Oh, Dig the Sink merch. That's never going to come out because it's too expensive to make. That's the point. Hope you guys kind of enjoyed this really stupid video. If you didn't, be sure to tell me, send me a threatening message in the comments, as people tend to do. You know, I love the comments that people just come in, they're like, I hate you. I'm like, thank you. At least you took the time to comment. It's going to be my most disliked video. But that's the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more of these quick videos, tell me below. Or don't. That's besides the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.